Top Land Surveyor Company in Delhi NCR. Top 10 Land Surveyor Company in Delhi NCR. Land Surveyor Company in Delhi NCR. Salary. Top Land Surveyor Company in Delhi NCR. Land surveying requires a trustworthy, competent organization. Scon Design is one of the leading land surveying businesses in Delhi NCR. Scon Design is a prominent land surveyor in the region due to its years of experience. Scon Design provides a variety of land surveying services to Delhi NCR clients. They can handle construction staking, boundary surveys, and topographic surveys. They use the newest technology and equipment to conduct precise and trustworthy surveys. They stand out from other companies in the region due to their attention to detail. Scon Design is the top land surveying firm in Delhi NCR because of their customer service. They deliver fast and cost-effective services to finish projects on time. Scon Design's expertise staff makes them the best land surveyor in Delhi NCR. Their expert surveyors can handle even the most complicated jobs. To keep projects running well, they have a support crew. This makes them a popular alternative for clients who want high-quality land surveying services at a fair price. In conclusion, Scon Design is Delhi NCR's greatest land surveyor. Their knowledge, devotion to customer satisfaction, experienced specialists, and cheap pricing make them ideal for any land surveying job. Contact them today to learn more about their services and how they can help you with your project. Top 10 Land Surveyor Company in Delhi NCR. Land surveying is essential to construction projects. These services are offered by many land surveying businesses in Delhi NCR. It's crucial to pick a provider that delivers accurate and trustworthy results. Scon Design is an industry leader. They're dedicated to timely, accurate outcomes. Customer satisfaction is Scon Design's specialty. They get to know their clients' needs. Each client's needs are met by their expertise. This technique has made them one of Delhi NCR's best land surveyors. Another well-known Delhi NCR land surveyor is Scon Design. GPS and 3D laser scanner savvy surveyors work for the company. Projects are completed on time and accurately. Land surveying, GIS mapping, and remote sensing are Scon Design's specialties. They use cutting-edge technology and software to deliver rapid and accurate results. Delhi NCR Land Surveyor Scon Design offers complete land surveying, mapping, and geospatial analysis services. Topographical, boundary, and building surveys are offered by Delhi NCR Land Surveyor Scon Design. High-quality, low-cost services are the company's goal. Scon Design is one of the leading Delhi NCR firms for customer service. It's crucial to research and pick the right company. Land Surveyor Company in Delhi NCR. Salary. Any building project needs qualified land surveyors to precisely measure and map the property. Scon Design is a leading land surveyor in Delhi NCR. Land surveyor salaries are extremely essential. Scon Design pays its staff competitively. Scon Design salaries are competitive and reflect employees' talents and experience. Therefore, they pay people according to their skills and expertise. Their land surveying services are accurate and quick. They also offer a good wage package that matches employees' talents and expertise. Scon Design is a great option for Delhi NCR land surveyors. Thanks for watching.